Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your Manic Monday weather update. Today, we actually have a little bit of wintry precip in the forecast. Doesn't mean it's going to verify or it's going to happen, but uh, we have the possibility of some frozen precipitation at the outset of this system that's coming from the northwest. It's a For us, it's an absolute almost nothing system. It's, if you want to say, cheap thrill. You might see some you might see some flakes at the outset. You might see some or hear some frozen, like almost grapple pebbles, pinging, which would indicate that it maybe is in the form of sleet. But or you might feel and see absolutely nothing. So those are the range of possibilities. um, high temperature 35. It's 29 right now. We do on radar have a little bit of scatter precip coming in from uh, Harrisburg, but that's moving. That's actually kind of moving in with winds coming in from the east. That's it's like broken up and it's kind of actually going like that. Um, this is kind of like a rogue. So this is so light that it's probably not even reaching the ground up here in these areas, Allentown, Harrisburg. If it is snowing, it's extremely light. Um, these areas actually might experience a little bit more um, actual snow than we will with this system. So most of the I don't know what you want to call it. Most of the real snow that does fall will happen above this line. So um, way above I-78. So don't even start to think that it's going to reach as far south as us. So that's if this does come in the next few hours. Like I said, and the air is so dry, it probably won't even fall to the ground. If it does, it'll be a few flakes. And then, so this is what is coming our way, and it's mostly areas to the far north. Now this is coming from the northwest, and it's kind of like veer down and then break up once it nears the coast and just go in several ways here. Let me just show you. So you can see how it kind of breaks up. And for our area, it's indicating mostly it's a spittle of rain too. So I'm talking now. There is some sleet and freezing rain, like I said, in those areas that I just circled. There's some snow in those areas that I just circled and I just pointed out. So, um, like I said, we probably won't even see close to nothing. And here's the low, and it just continues to move northeast. It's like almost a west to east system. Then a high pressure settles in, and later in the week, another little spittle rain and snow, mostly areas to our north. That's how the pattern is, folks. You can't make it happen. You just got to go with what you have. So that's it for me. So I would just be a little cautious if you do see any precip early on. It could be frozen. It could be a little bit of grapple. Could be a little bit of freezing rain. Whatever. So just move on. Just continue to move on. It's really absolutely nothing. Then, as you can see, temperatures increase for the remainder of the week, and by by Friday, temperatures are up in the 50s, and then they go back down a little bit towards the weekend, and we have another little blotch of uh, snow in the forecast. But with temperatures reaching 49, I don't think we're going to see much. That's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, saying adios.